Okay, so now we're still doing rate of change or slope, but now we're doing it from equations, when we're given equations. Now, if you're given an equation in what's called the slope-intercept form, it's in this form right here, y equals mx plus b. Okay, that's an important form. We're going to be doing a ton with it. This is why before I had you guys solving for variables when there's other variables in the equation, because here we go. We're solving for a y when there's an x in the equation. That m, again, as we've talked about, that m represents your slope. So anytime you see it in this form, you're going to put that in for your slope. All right, so now this definitely is in the form y equals mx plus b. So my slope in this form right here, if you can see, it's whatever number is directly attached to that x value. So my slope is simply m equals 3, and I would be done finding slope for this equation. All right, so again, this equation is in the form y equals mx plus b. All right, and we're not even discussing what that b is. We'll discuss that later. But so my m value is right here attached to that glorious x. So my m value in this equation would be m equals 2 over 3. And I'm done. I found my slope from this given equation. Now, some of you might argue that this equation is not in the form mx plus b. You might say, nope, doesn't look the same. However, if I rearranged the first problem up here, I could rewrite it where the value that goes with the x, so negative 3/4 x plus 5. I could do that because I'm just simply using the commutative property and rearranging things. So when I do that, I think you would agree that right here we have our slope, and our slope is simply m equals negative 3/4. And we're done. We found the slope for this equation.